MLGO stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is MicroAlgo stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, generally just looking at MicroAlgo, it sort of seems like it's going down right now. I'm not going to come here and just start selling like crazy on MLGO. No, actually, like when you look back in March was so sick, even April, bro. But then it kind of started melting, started crashing. And I do think like the plane is crashing with MLGO. I mean, I do have a lot of receipts. And even like got very decent longs on that long side before that. But here in this instance, if the price does pump up and gives me like a double break, then only then I'm still looking to take it further down. But like I said, mate, like randomly selling will just not be the way. And if you're like, Mr. Sicko, but when is this going to be a buy? You know, when do I buy? Well, I'm not going to immediately buy, but it's going to be a great sign for some bullish price action if you break above 2070. If that's not the case, well, so be it, you know, like not everything's supposed to be bought. And timing is also crucial. So let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.